Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Lipstick on More. My name is Jyoti and today I'll be unboxing my October Allure Box. The Allure Box was a little bit different this month. The price went up to $23 per month and it didn't come nicely wrapped in tissue paper like it usually does. I feel like they're starting to copy BoxyCharm a little bit because they even changed the design of the box. Whereas it used to look like a gift box beforehand, but now the design is very similar to BoxyCharm's design. So I don't know how I feel about that because I really did enjoy opening up the tissues, the box. It was a nice experience. But let's see if the products in here are any good this month. I think there's a lot of skincare in here. Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm. But this one definitely looks like a sample size. Let's check it out. But with the winter approaching, we definitely need something for dry skin. And there's no scent to it at all. My hands do get really dry during winter times. Allure Box does still come with this packet here, which is really cute. This is 15 milliliters and the 400 milliliter bottle is $19.99. So it's a reasonably priced product and from what I've experienced on my hands, it does feel really moisturizing. What else is in here? I have the Nue Co Topical C Cream. Oh wow, that's interesting looking. It's a powder. 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer serum or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily. What in the world is this? So the review in here is that I have tested dozens, if not hundreds, of serums and many are too heavy for the skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the Nue Co Topical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. Interesting. It's priced at $70. Holy moly. Looks like something that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to try this. It's literally a powder that you mix into, oh wow. Whoa, wow. Let's apply some cream. 2 to 3 shakes. Okay, that is a little hard to come out. 2 to 3 shakes of powder. Well, it was barely coming out, so, oh geez. This is how much, this is the powder. And here's the cream. Okay. It does blend in nicely. It's not leaving any powdery feeling, and my skin does look brighter, so the powder definitely has a brightening effect right away. Ooh, I like it. I really like the cream. My hands look nice and soft. Then they have this Verso Super Eye Serum with retinol. Nice, I was looking for something with retinol. Here is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you take off the cap. I'm getting a lot of wrinkles around my eyes, so I hope this helps me out. Firming and Smoothing Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Yeah, it's pretty light. Nothing too crazy creamy. In the little review here, this person says that most of the eye creams that she used created little bumps around her eyelids, which is my problem. I have a lot of bumps around my eyelids, and so this eye serum is supposed to be very lightweight and it doesn't irritate her eyes. There are certain eye creams that I've used that do irritate my eyes. She's saying that after using it for 2 weeks, her dark circles were less purple and her under eye bags were less puffy. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to help you with wrinkles, but it helped her with her purple eyes. But I would think that retinol should help with some fine lines. I'm excited about this one. Another cream. This is Dr. Jart plus Ceramidin cream. So this is a moisturizer, and what's special about it is that This line uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells so that the moisture doesn't escape. So basically, it's not just hydrating you, but it's also helping the existing moisture in your skin from escaping. And the cream has botanical extracts like artichoke, which smooths fine lines, and turmeric, which is antibacterial. And it spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. This sounds pretty good too. I am out of moisturizer. I have been using e.l.f.'s CBD moisturizer, which is an affordable moisturizer with CBD. It's super lightweight, but I figured I'll see what the Allure boxes come with and if I could get moisturizer in them, which I did. So I'm excited to use this. Just check out how lightweight it feels. Actually feels really creamy. It actually feels like butter. It doesn't feel lightweight. Yeah, it actually feels pretty heavy, pretty thick, very moisturizing. I would think that this would be really good for dry skin. It does sound like a good cream. Let's see what else is in here. Hydration booster for the eye contour area. An intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. It's for all skin types, it's soothing, and it has hydrating ingredients. Will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Wow. Their super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating. This is pretty cool. You're supposed to leave them on for 20 minutes. The thing they have in here is, ooh, it's like a sample of shampoo and conditioner. That's cute. I like that. You get to try out something new. Native fig. And this is what the original bottle would look like if you were to buy it. It's cute. Feels very natural. So it's a blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium, which gently cleanses and replenishes hair's moisture levels while softening and detangling. It's free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty. Cool. And you can get a 20% off at Ulta if you use the code ALLURE20OFF. Nice. They also had a nail polish, which I put on here and then I topped it off with a glitter coat. The nail polish was really smooth, no brush streaks on your nails at all, but it does come off pretty easily. But it's basically not supposed to contain any questionable ingredients like formaldehydes or toluene, so it's supposed to be a cleaner product, and it's priced at $16. So here's a cute little lipstick, Sigma. I want to try out this liquid lipstick. Ooh, it's a nice deep red, which is nice for fall. It's not super bright, so I like it. I have to say, I did get some really good stuff this month for $23. There are some really nice high-end skincare in here. I am looking forward for this Verso Super Eye Serum. It's lightweight, so hopefully I don't get like crazy bumpy texture around my lids, which I currently do have. And looking forward to using this Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin cream. And this one's nice too. This is a great little moisturizer we have here. Ah, close. Cute little travel size moisturizer. Since we're using a lot of hand sanitizer, you know, it does dry out your hands. So this is something you can like keep in your car or your purse. Definitely is pretty interesting too. A little vitamin C powder, which I really like simple ingredients like this. So I can just put it into anything. I could throw it into my makeup, maybe, I don't know. So here are 4 products, and then we have this little sample here. That's the 5th one, and another little eye gel pads, which is the 6th item, and there was also a nail polish. So Allure doesn't say that it's only 6 products, they say at least 6 products. So if they can give you more than 6, sometimes they throw in more than 6, which is kind of nice. So thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun showing you what I got in my Allure box this month. It was fun, it was good stuff, and I can't wait to try it all. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you do have Allure box, did you like your box this month? And let me know in the comments below if you know of any other subscription boxes that are for skincare. And how do you feel about having boxes full of skincare? And again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye!